This training covers IV infusion setup. I'll guide you through each step and highlight the relevant components on the 3D model. Step 1. Secure the IV fluid bag on the stand's top hook to ensure stable suspension, allowing gravity to assist fluid flow. Step 2. Verify the chamber below the IV bag is firmly attached, ensuring no leaks or disconnections for proper fluid regulation. Step 3. Open the tubing to let fluid push out air bubbles, ensuring a clear path for consistent infusion. Step 4. Adjust the roller clamp on the tubing to regulate the fluid flow rate, ensuring it matches the prescribed infusion speed. Step 5. Check all tubing connections to avoid leaks or disconnections, ensuring the infusion system operates safely and effectively. Step 6. Observe the drip chamber for a steady fluid drip and inspect tubing for air bubbles to ensure proper and safe fluid delivery. That was the final step.